celebrate, and if not, hopefully you'll get some cleaning motivation. I'm going to show you the kind of the before setup, and then I'll show you kind of like what we do on my Christmas, and hopefully I'll be able to film the cleanup as well. We'll see. Depends on how tired I am. So I opted to do more like appetizers, dips type stuff. So we did deviled eggs. We have a little veggie tray, different chips. This is ranch dip. This is a cream cheese pepper jelly dip. This is just a store-bought pepperoni tray. This is like a little caprese salad with a little vinaigrette dressing. We have sausage rotel dip. We have buffalo dip, chicken buffalo dip, and then this is spinach artichoke dip in here. Over on this side, we have the Jack Daniel's pulled pork. It's already like pre-cooked, pre-made. I added a little bit of extra like seasoning in there and a little bit of vinegar. And then these are just grape jelly. Woo! These are just grape jelly meatballs. They are frozen meatballs. I didn't make them by hand either. So I'm just kind of low-key Christmas. We have some bread. You could put them on sandwiches if you wanted. Over on this side, my nephew says we always have to have the chocolate fountain. So we literally only bring it out for Christmas. I tried not to one year and they were so mad at me, so we will forever have the chocolate fountain. As you can see, Malcolm has already gotten into it. I did very chill this year. These are Sam's Club cookies, Walmart cookies, marshmallows, pretzel rods. The strawberries are not great this year, but gotta have strawberries. Oh, I need to cut these apples up into little apple slices. I was waiting a little bit longer so they wouldn't turn. And then here's just like little picky bits and some graham crackers for the chocolate fountain. And these are not homemade Rice Krispies either. These are just store-bought Rice Krispies just to make everything easy. And my husband wanted to make the old-fashioned Christmas punch with sherbet. I couldn't find the green, so we did rainbow, and I know you're supposed to like scoop it into cute little bits, but this is the way we're doing it.
Done! Impossible! Done! 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 Done!
So, of course, I didn't get much filmed after that. We opened presents, we ate, we laughed, we had fun, we made memories, we played games. It was a lot of fun, and here is kind of the aftermath of everything. After everyone has gone, it's time to put this kitchen back to rights so that we can wake up tomorrow and have a happy and merry Christmas.
Dear Santa, tell him I'm still holding on. No need for diamonds or trips somewhere in the mistakes come out like the snow. But if there's magic, let the north winds tell him so. 'Cause I can only wait and pray that hope will call me. Realize he's awful lonely. The only gift for me is something to me. Santa, bring a baby back. I don't wanna lose him yet. I will have the mistletoe.
So all of the gifts that we open up on Christmas Eve, I just stick right under the Christmas tree, and we'll leave them there for all of Christmas Day, and then eventually everyone will move their presents upstairs into their little desired areas. I am just cleaning everything up and trying to get everything organized. My parents are going to come in the morning and watch the kids open up their presents. When Santa comes, Malcolm will get up, and then the older two will also get up, and we get up when he gets up. The Christmas Day is dictated by the youngest kid in the house, so we're just going to do whatever he wants to do and really enjoy Christmas through his eyes. I'm not even gonna lie, the next video that you see on this channel is me taking down Christmas. I'm so ready to take it down. I'm so ready to have a fresh start for the new year. I know some people leave it up till January 6th. Everybody has different traditions when it comes to their Christmas decor, but I am so ready to get my house back, and I have a ton of new DIY home renos that I want to do, so I'm been itching to get started on all of those.
A really good Christmas time. We're stepping out. Let's talk about a really good Christmas time. I don't mind the same old thing. It's what makes it feel right. Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Now it's Christmas time, and everybody's running around. So they can make up their minds. I don't mind the same old thing. Everything's fine. We're having a good time.
Malcolm had an absolute blast hanging out with his cousins. He loved the chocolate fountain and all of the food and all of the games. He just was such a good sport this year. Like, he was really, really, really into Christmas and everything. And I just can't wait to see him on Christmas Day, opening up all his presents and just really taking in all of the fun.
Under the Christmas tree, you're giving something special to me. Waiting to see. I don't mind the same old thing. It's what makes it feel right. Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Can you show me a really good Christmas time? I wait just a little more. You know what my heart is longing for. Until the days go by. Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Can you show me a really good Christmas time? Really good Christmas time. A really good Christmas time. A really good Christmas time. Well, it's time to let the kids know, yes, it's time to get married, to pick up the pieces of what you call this year. Now we're here. Well, you've done your best and no one will complain. We're still here, doing your best now for the part of the year. So shed no tears, knocking, waiting, hoping, finally here. Now it's Christmas time. God bless the joy of bringing, laughing out loud as we dance like there's no tomorrow. Thank you for your time. I can't believe you're mine now. It's Christmas.
My husband is the real MVP. He is a beast when it comes to washing dishes. He can power through and get some stuff done. I do all the cooking, I do a lot of the decorating, and he does all of the dishes.
Santa's coming home for Christmas.